last one is March. Do you want the echo or not echo? Talking it and tell me hello. Hello. I think that doesn't matter. Hello. Hello. That's good. That's echo. Okay. Hello. That's good. That sounds more like reporter voice. Welcome to Huntington Beach, California. Here is a sunny day, 80 degrees Fahrenheit, on a beautiful Wednesday afternoon. We have the beautiful beach right here in front of us, which we're not supposed to be on, sitting down, but we are. But like we say, 6 feet apart. We went and measured it, and they are all 6 feet apart unless they're family. Here to our right, we have Georgie that's not wearing his mask. He's not obeying the law. Over there, we have Jimmy with his cigarette, not obeying the law either. And then we have Kathy, well, she's legal, so that's good. And then we have the princess that's looking at us because she loves us so much. So today, it's a beautiful day. If you want to come back tomorrow, we'll still be in the same corner. And then we have an helicopter right there. It's the crew. They're here, they're going to do a dump of some people somewhere. So, see, there's a lot of action in Huntington Beach, California. So come on down and visit us. We love you all. Goodbye.
Hello, this is Carolyn Niles, live from the Flannery's restaurant. We'll be dining al fresco tonight, but this special report is about my shoes that I just recently purchased from Jack's Surf Shop. And I was appropriate and did my social distancing and had my mask on, so don't fret. I followed all the rules and regulations of the era with the corona, but my shoes are reef style shoes. They're a size 7, and I got them black and the white. They're very adjustable for my big fat feet. I don't know if you can see. I'll have the camera lady pan down so you can see my big old fat feet. But yeah, this has been a special report from Carolyn, signing off with the Good News Network. Hope you're having a fabulous day. We're gonna dine al fresco on some Italian tonight at the Flannery's restaurant. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.